cool stuff.
Yeah, no,
My
you
gosh.
definitely got to check out like the gun that he's about to shoot right now.
Yeah,
I
what
shot
is
that
that?
one. It's actually pretty awesome.
That's perfect, kid. Can't break out of it.
Dude, this has 93 recoil.
You gotta shoot it.
Not bad.
That's really satisfying. Very satisfying recoil.
You gotta shoot it for fun, man. Go full auto and go nuts. Seems pretty accurate. That's pretty cool.
This will feel good.
Sweet.
Oh, that's the recoil AEG?
Yeah, that's intense recoil. It's like hurting my jaw over here, man.
I like that. That's pretty awesome, actually. That's pretty awesome. I like that. I like the recoil.
Alright guys, thank you so much for your patience. We're going to open in probably about 30 seconds, and I want to just remind you guys, when you're heading over to the booth to grab your goodie bags, also make sure to get a raffle ticket for an awesome raffle near the end of the day. So without further ado, why don't I walk you guys over to the entrance?
Yeah!
So, from Lancer Tactical, let's see who the lucky winner is. All right, back to the Lancer Tactical Tactical Assault Plate Carrier in ACU. All right, 356-887. 356-887.
Gotta run.
All right, well, we give the folks in the walking store a chance to win something. We are going to go straight into Lancer Tactical guns. This is the Lancer Tactical Full Metal M24 bolt action spring powered sniper rifle. Now, I'm sorry I have to say something about every single product that comes up here, but if you guys haven't had a chance to snipe or are looking for a time to do it, it'd be great to do it with this gun. It's always good to change up your play style so everything just doesn't stay the same and set. 356, and yeah! 357014. All right, so right now from Lancer Tactical, we've got the LT9060 bolt action sniper rifle with scope, standby pod. So pretty much most of what you need to get going for a sniper. So 356-885. 356-885.
Yeah!
Really? Wow. You have no idea what you want, do you? It's something good.
I got it.
I'm actually closing the box right now.
It's this one. This is what you want. Right here.